Thank you.
Rang nao dang.
Rang nao.
पुणे पुणे
कहाँ से आ रहा है मतलब क्या है भाई?
नहीं इतना तीन छोटा आंख वाला बोला
अरे हाँ, seriously, I did not even realize that.
See
Kharakam
how
na.
much discriminated we are in our own country. कहाँ से आ रहा है? ये क्या क्वेश्चन है मोदी जी? जामुन है गाइस, बड़ा बड़ा वाला देखो, मगर एक भी अच्छा नहीं, एक कोटा कोटा से कचा कचा खाए।
This is not the way.
No, I don't know where he's taking us. He knows everything. He's the boss.
I know more than him. I'm the boss.
Okay, all my clothes are wet. You see? So cute. This is Lavasa, guys. Walking through the street of Lavasa. So hey guys, we have all the shops of Lavasa right here. Almost all of them are closed right now because of the rain, I guess. And it's only 2. The water is all flooded right now here in Lavasa. It rains after every 5 minutes.
She knows that, but I'm show it out. Hey, she playing cool now.
Wow, bye! Slot! May gede. Mama.
Bump it and grind, let's go the way. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Drinks in the air now, let this moment. Shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Tropical vibes are taking over.
Hey guys, we are stuck here right now and it's too windy and it's gonna get flooded right now. There was a stairs here and it's all gone. Look at the wind. We have taken shelter here.
कुछ खट्टा हो गया
It's raining again, guys.
The weather is unpredictable.
My mom is not better.
Hey guys, you can see some crazy school boys right here.
All the peacocks have come out.
Oh, just now they stopped. Hey, this is so cute.
कितना मेरा साइकिल का भाई
200 half an hour.
Hitting rock bottom. I need the strength to pull me up.
Wow, this is heavy man.
Heavy. Come on, go.
From the
Bye. Bola.
Bye.
Hi.
We're leaving you. Bye.
Hey guys, we are leaving Lavasa now. We had a very great time and we're very grateful to Mr. Dreamo and by Joel.
Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life.
Cheers, Mugudam. Cheers.
What is Mogudam?
But can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
It's all fog.
Ooh, making touch baby.
We can't see anything on the road.
Car is. See there. If people don't use blinkers, you can't see their cars only.
Yeah. Say bye bye.